Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Wallet and how you can get also the Apple Pay and where you can go ahead and set it up or you can use it. So we're going to head over our phone or the iPhone, of course, because the Apple Wallet is going to be integrated within the iPad, the iPhones, and also the Apple Watches. So we are going to head over our menu on the iPhone. Then we're going to head over the first element, which is going to be wallet on the first page. Normally it is going to be in here. So we are going to click on wallet and it will open up in here the, as you can see, the specific app. Now, in this specific wallet, which is going to be the Apple Wallet, you're going to gather all the payment methods or all the cards that you have. So it is going to be a collection of your credit cards or debit cards that you're going to put into your phone. So it is going to be facilitating the payments and also paying bills or managing your financial or the mini financial situation that you have. It is not going to be a pro or a very high management or financial management tool, but it is going to gather everything in order for the daily life struggles, of course. Now, how we can set up or add the credit cards. We're going to click on the plus button at the top and you're going to see the add to wallet. So we have here some available cards that you can go ahead and put. You can apply for the Apple card, which is going to be a, let's say, a titanium card, I think, or a metal card that is going to be a physical card and also a digital card in the same time into your Apple Wallet. You can add an Apple account in here. You can add a debit card or credit card, a transit card, which is going to be for the transportation, driver license, or the state ID, depending on your country that you are in. But these doesn't matter. Also, you can integrate the apps or the financial apps like Wise, MyFin, or whatever app that you have into your phone and integrate them into the Apple Pay. Now, let's say that I want to add a debit or a credit card. You can go ahead and have here, as you can see, the scan. So we are going to get immediately the Apple Pay in here. So you can add cards to Apple Pay to send money to your friends and make secure payments in apps, on the web, and in stores using NFCs. So you can add or scan or add a card, and then that card is going to be in here. So here also we have the Apple Cash, which is going to be a new feature that has been presented with Apple. So you can go ahead and have a internal balance, and that balance is going to be your let's say credit score, not the credit score, but the credit that you have into your Apple Cash wallet. So you can use it for paying stores, paying bills, or whatever you want. Also, you can use it to transfer or send to friends. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.